Welcome to JH. DopaWave is a supplement brand currently marketing itself as the ultimate fix for ADHD, promising to boost focus, memory, and emotional regulation by flooding your brain with dopamine building blocks. Because apparently, all your executive function needs is a catchy name and some clever marketing to finally start working. The product is heavily promoted with a suspicious 4.8-star rating and a money-back guarantee, just in case your brain decides to ignore the wave entirely. Supporters claim the product makes them feel mentally clearer and less scatterbrained, providing a smoother experience than traditional stimulants without the inevitable mid-afternoon existential crisis. It's praised for helping users actually finish a task, which is a miracle for anyone who currently has 50 half-finished projects gathering dust. However, there are some glaring red flags to consider before you start treating your brain like a chemistry experiment. Most of these bold claims are based on user reviews rather than actual clinical trials, and as with most supplements, your mileage may vary wildly. The company also plays a bit fast and loose with ingredient disclosure and dosage transparency, leaving you to guess what you're actually putting into your system. But hey, who needs scientific evidence and safety data when you have glowing testimonials from strangers on the internet?